So fam, it's your boy Vic. We're back at it again with another banger. It's been like a year or so. Apologize, but your boy been busy doing the Lord's work, serving Jesus, serving my homies, everybody nearby me. So it's been a blessing. But anyways, we're gonna get to this video today. Hopefully it's gonna be not too long. Just short, straight to the point. But check it out. We got the car out here. My boy's shop. About to get this bad boy painted up. He's about to do some work. We gotta fix a few things. We gotta fix that right there. We gotta fix the dent in the back. I've been hit. I don't think I told you guys, but been hit like 3 times. 2 up front, 1 in the back. Tough. So all the clear coat kind of coming off, as you can tell. And hopefully we can fix the lip. If not, we're gonna purchase a new lip. But you guys can see it. And we got some new headlights too. Yeah, those aren't it, but I got them. So just a little view for you guys. Oh snap, I forgot something. I forgot my handles. I gotta get them that. But anyways, check it out. It's clean. It's gonna be here soon. Nice, clean and painted. Can't wait. I'm excited because I got some new set of wheels. I got some seats. I got some stuff like that. So it's gonna be a great turnaround, great comeback for the car. Might be back in the shows. So just hope like about a month or so, all that gets done and we back on the road clean as can be, and hopefully other things need to be fixed. But other than that, I'm excited. Yo fam, we are back at the shop and my boy Felipe's in his team shop. The car looks immaculate. I'm absolutely excited, man. First of all, I just want to thank the Lord for allowing me to do this, and for my boys who work mad hard just to get the job done. Extremely detailed to the max. Just so y'all know, it's Redefined Auto out in Marietta. You know, here's a few of his vehicles right here. Just beautiful cars he's got going on, and just so much stuff that he does. Do absolutely great work. They're absolutely great people. So if you guys have any business, make sure you holler at them guys and just kind of like get in contact with them, because they'll get your cars right, especially cars like my own. I'm so excited to show you guys. Just extremely ecstatic about it. Dream come true as usual. Just building the car the way I would like it to look, and this is a new look. It stands out like crazy. So without further ado, we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna reveal the car to you guys. All right, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, bye. There she is, people. She's looking mad beautiful. The wheels, absolutely a different touch to the car. We do have a few touches that were done. Like those are actual black housing, JDM black housing lights, legit with the halos and whatnot. Well, I mean the HIDs. And then the lip's got a little touch to it now. So since the crack that it had on it, we decided to go for a little different look and switch it up. It's got black there, painted black in the carbon, and a few other small touches there. So we got it all cleaned up. Looks good. It's absolutely shining. Just an immaculate looking car. I mean, just crazy. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at it. Yep. So we got the wheels. We changed from the black tees. We just changed the tires on them because I wasn't trying to buy new tires. The black tees are in the back right there. So we changed the tires from that one. Interior's looking good. He even cleaned up my other headlights, which are right there, just in case I need them in the future. They cleaned up, detailed the inside as well. All the damage that was on this, door and this fender, all cleaned up. Look at this, immaculate. And where I got hit at, while I was parked in front of my house, but you guys see it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the car. Some other small details that I forgot to mention to you guys that my boy Felipe added me on to, hooked me up. Just a very small, but it makes a big difference. So under the fender wells, you can barely see it, but he painted that black just to make it look a lot cleaner. Here you can see it from this side. Clean, you guys, clean. It's just, I don't know, I'm just excited. Even all the sides were painted. You can tell right there. Boom, perfect. Look at those wheels though. Sheesh. Immaculate. Like I said, trustworthy people, get at them. You can contact them right here. That's the phone number. They do a whole lot of things. They got connections that can get the job done. So make sure you guys get at them, talk to them, get your quote, and get your car right, your truck right, and there you go. Also, I still got a few more touch-ups that I have to do, which I may just say that for the next video, but it's just for the heck of it, just to make another video. But I do have a few more touch-ups. I think they'll be just small, but in just for great detail, great for the car. I mean, it's gonna look amazing. If you know cars, you'll find all the details. But man, I'm glad you guys tuned in and watched this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Sorry it's taking me so long to make videos. I'm gonna try to put in some work and hopefully get something going for you guys where I make maybe like 1 video a month. Don't hold me to it because I'm a busy man. Guys got me doing amazing things, teaching and just leading a lot of other people to Christ, which I highly recommend to everybody watching. But I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for what's next, and we're gonna catch you guys on the flip. All right.